artificial network work. So how artificial network work? So first of all, we input. Suppose we simply input the data. The input goes. And this type of input, you can see, suppose we simply input different types of pixel or different types of data, or our source data we simply input in our layer. Then it multiply by weight. So it multiply by weight. So this input data, it's multiply by weight is mainly its importance. Okay, and then it create the summation, all of those, mainly adding the core calculation summation. So after multiply, suppose this is my input and this is my weight, and further simply multiply and calculate the summation. Okay, then apply the activation function. Okay, activation function. We apply the activation function, and send forward and repeat until output. Okay, so this is a step by step. So first of all, we simply input. So this input is it's simply just multiply with our weight, and then it sum of weight. So all of weight. Suppose input x and weight is the w. So simply multiply and then summation. Okay, all of weight. And after that, we simply apply the activation. The threshold. If the weight sum exceeds the specific threshold, then neuron fires and generate an output. Okay, so then it sends forward and repeat. So this it's a progress all time. So it repeat until the output. Okay, so core formula is that this is the formula. Basically, suppose in this case, suppose x1 w1 plus x2 w2 plus. So it's continuous. Okay, x and so it's simply continuous, all of those. So here x basically input data, w basically weights. Okay,